in Riverside counties through 3:15 p.m. PDT. At 2:37 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near San Jacinto, or 8 miles north of Hemet, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Riverside, Moreno Valley, Redlands, Lake Elsinore, Hemet, Paris, Colton, San Jacinto, Beaumont, March Air Force Base, Menifee, Sun City, Woodcrest, Lake Matthews, Canyon Lake, Collie Mesa, Homeland, Lakeview, Romeland and Lake Paris Recreation Area. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The